Hello students, welcome back. I hope that all of you are good. Students, please take out your treasure trove book. Today we will read chapter number 9, My Greatest Olympic Prize. Student, turn over to page 103. Jesse Owen is the author of this lesson. He is the son of a sharecropper and grandson of a slave. He has achieved what no other Olympian before him had accomplished. His stunning achievement of 4 gold medals at the 1936 Olympic Games in Berlin has made him the best remembered athlete in Olympic history. And the story which we are going to read today is a true story of a friendship between two great athletes. And this friendship has blossomed during 1936 Berlin Summer Olympics. It is a time period when Hitler was ruling Berlin. So Hitler had spread the myth that one ethnic group was superior to all others and refused to acknowledge that a black man could ever be successful. This affected African American track and field athlete Jesse Owens so badly that he almost failed to qualify for the long jump finals. And the situation seemed so hopeless until his rival Luz Long, a German athlete, spoke to him encouragingly, giving Owens a tip that helped him to qualify. Long knew that if Owens succeeded, it might jeopardize his chances of winning the gold medal since they were competing against each other. Nevertheless, Luz Long put winning a medal at risk and continued to urge Owens to try harder. And this act of Luz Long, this kind act of Luz Long that led Owens to first qualify, then go on to win medal and set a record. More importantly, it led to a lifelong friendship between the two men, which ended only when Long was killed in action in World War II. While he was fighting, he was killed. Page number 104, My Greatest Olympic Prize. It was the summer of 1936. The Olympic Games were being held in Berlin. Because Hitler childishly insisted that his performers were members of a master race, nationalistic feelings were at all-time high. So these Olympic Games were held in Berlin in the summer of 1936, and Hitler, he insisted that the athletes of the performers, the athletes, the players who are going to play, they are the one who belong to the master race, for superior race. And because of this, the teams of the other countries, they having the nationalistic feeling were very, very high at that time in the players who were participating in the Olympic game. Second paragraph, I wasn't too worried about all this. I had trained, sweated, and disciplined myself for 6 years with the games in mind. And who is I over here, children? I means Jesse Owen. He is saying that he wasn't worried about all these things. Because why he was not worried? Because he has trained himself, he had trained a lot, and he has worked hard. Sweated means that he has worked hard and disciplined himself for 6 years. For 6 years, he was undergoing the training to participate in the Olympic Games. And he had the one purpose, one aim, that he is going to win a medal in the Olympic. When I was going over on the boat, all I could think about was taking home 1 or 2 of those gold medals. So while he was coming to Berlin, crossing the ocean in the ship, what he was thinking, he kept on thinking about that he will take 1 or 2 gold medals. He is going to win 1 or 2 gold medals. I had my eyes especially on the running broad jump. He was thinking of winning a medal in a broad jump. A year before, as a sophomore at Ohio State University, I had set the world record of 26 feet. Everyone kind of expected me to win that Olympic event, hands down. And a year before, as a student of the Ohio State University, he has set a world record of 26 feet, and everyone, whoever knew him, expected that he is going to win the gold medal in Olympic, hands down means very easily. Third para, I was in for a surprise when the time came for the broad jump trial. I was startled to see a tall boy hitting the pit at almost 26 feet on his practice sleeve. Jesse Owen had a surprise because at the trials of broad jump, what he saw that a tall boy was easily jumping 26 feet without putting any effort. And what he found out later, that he was a German named Luz Long, and Hitler had kept him under wraps. Under wraps means that he has been kept as a secret by Hitler. No one knew about him. Evidently, Hitler was hoping that they will win a gold medal with him. He will help the Hitler to win a gold medal in broad jump. Fourth paragraph, I guess that if Long won, it would add some new support to the Nazi Aryan superiority theory. And Jesse Owens said that he thinks that if Luz Long really wins the gold medal, then it will give a support to the thinking of Hitler that Nazis are the superior race, are the master race. After all, I am a Negro, and Jesse Owens, he is a African American, a Negro, a little hot under the collar about Hitler ways. He was angry about the way the Hitler professed that his race is a superior one. I determined to go out there and really show that for her and his master race who was superior and who wasn't. And he was determined, he has decided that he is going to win a gold medal and show Hitler that which race is superior and which is inferior, or which race is superior, is the Negroes are superior or the Aryans are superior. Fifth paragraph, an angry athlete is an athlete who will make mistakes as any coach will tell you. Jesse Evans says that an athlete who is angry, he is liable to make mistakes in the field. I was no exception, and he said that he was no exception. He also did the same thing. He also made a mistake in the field because he was angry on Hitler. On the first of my 3 qualifying jumps, I leaped from several inches beyond the takeoff board for a foul. And in the first of his 3 qualifying jumps, he made a mistake and he made a foul. He was unable to qualify for the finals. And on the second jump, he fouled even worse. And what was the reason why he was going on making the fouls again and again? Because he was angry on Hitler. That was the reason. Did I come 3,000 miles for this? I thought bitterly, and he thought to himself in anger that did he travel 3,000 miles, that he has come to Berlin from America so that he could just make fouls at trials, so that he could, for being disqualified at the trials, not able to qualify for the finals. So he thought bitterly to himself that he has come so far to make fool of himself. Page 105. First paragraph, walking a few yards from the pit, I kicked disgustingly at the dirt. So Jesse Owen, he just walked few yards away from the pit and he just kicked at the dirt, and suddenly I felt a hand on my shoulder, and suddenly he felt that someone has put a hand on his shoulder. I turned to look into the friendly blue eyes of the tall German broad jumper, and as he turned around, he looked into the friendly blue eyes of a tall German who is a broad jumper, who is playing the same game as him. He had easily qualified for the finals on his first attempt. He was the same person who has easily qualified for the finals in the first attempt only. He has been selected for the finals. He offered me a firm handshake, and he just offered his hand for the handshake to Jesse Owens. And then he asked Jesse Owens, told Jesse Owens that I am Luz Long, and he said that he thinks that they haven't met before. And Jesse Owens said that he is glad to meet him and asked him that how is he. And Luz Long replied to him that he is fine, but the question is that how is Jesse Owens? And then Jesse Owens was surprised and he asked that why you are asking this? What do you mean by this? That how am I? Then he said that something must be eating you, that it seems like that something is worrying you, because it it seems like that he, it is said that he can be qualified for the final, he will be selected for the final very easily. So he told him that you should be able to qualify with your eyes closed. He think that he can qualify for the finals very easily, but there is something worrying him. That's why he is going on making fouls at the trial. At the first jump and the second jump, he has made a foul and he has not been selected for the finals. It means that something was worrying him. Student, you will read page number 104 and 105 and you will do the questions in the workbook. Thank you.